Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today I'm going to show you something very simple but very useful techniques in Adobe Illustrator, like this. It looks like kind of organic creatures, um, but I'm pretty sure you can use it for your logo design or symbol design in the future project. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and set the alarm for my latest video. And let's get started. So please create a new Adobe Illustrator document. Mine is the letter size paper, 11 by 8.5 inch, and then a landscape orientation. Then before we start, please open the ruler, Command R, and then place your mouse cursor on the top ruler, hold down the Control key and click, and make sure your ruler unit is a points unit. Okay, now I'm gonna hide my ruler. Command R again. So first, let's draw one perfect circle. Any color is fine. This is my favorite color. I'm gonna draw another one, a little bit bigger. Let me align center. Okay, I'm gonna move up a little bit. Okay, looks good. Now select both. Hold down the Control key, click on your object, make compound path. Looks the same, but now they are kind of grouped. Then now go to Effect menu, Path, Offset Path. See that? They are kind of combining by extending. And I'm going to offset a little more, like a 20 point. And I'm going to keep 4 mile limit. And OK. So it looks like a snowman. Now go to Effect menu again. Choose the same option, Path, Offset Path. Since we applied already, it will ask you, do you really want to apply a new effect? I want to apply a new effect. Then this time, -10 and -4, negative. And then the ways of joints, round. Okay. See that? It is much smoother. Now, still your tools is selection tool. Double click your small one. Double click. See that we are in the sub layer. Now keep pressing your mouse button and drag it. See what happens. See? Isn't it cool? So you can attach or detach anywhere. If you go inside, this will happen. See? Looks like a smiley face. You can go through, get through it. Anywhere you can attach. Okay. Even you can make a copy. Hold down the Option and drag. See? And now I can make it a little smaller, a little further. Let me make another copy. Option and drag, maybe this time to here. Another copy. I'm going to make it bigger. Isn't it cool? Now you can go back. Okay. Let's apply the same effect on the letters, word. I'm going to make a new artboard. Let me type a simple word. I'm going to type my hometown. So when you apply this effect to the letters, please choose the simple word, simple form like this. Some sans serif type style. Serif is it may happen that a lot of it may end up with a lot of overlapping. So some sans serif typeface it works better. Then go to type, create outlines. Okay, and then go to object, make a compound path. Okay, set your color again, maybe red. Now next step is the same. Go to Effect menu, Path, Offset Path. I'm gonna do just a 10. Now go to Effect menu, Path again, same option, Offset Path. This time I'll apply new effect, -10 and -4. And the joints, round joints. Okay. Now double click first letter, S. I'm in the sub layer. So drag it, approach, see? So anywhere. Now O, somewhere there. U and L. Or any angle, any direction you want. Like that. Okay. Let me go back. See? Isn't it cool? Even we can combine. So let me select this one. I'm gonna expand appearance. Let me make it a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna move up here. Expand appearance. Make it smaller. I don't know. It looks like some kind of a project logo from the city of Seoul. Okay, so that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.